Is it true that Claude New AI can sell digital products? Let's find this out. So, here we wanted to get started and try to figure out the actual research and creating a digital product here only with the actual Claude. With the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be using an actual free plan so we can all be working with this really fast. So, the most easiest way is to look out for the sonnet for sext, and the effort try to look out for more than thinking and go for a medium element. Remember that the more effort you get, the longer you're going to be taking for the limits and faster. So with this modern, I'm going to go for medium, and I'm going to be starting with an actual prompt, which is acting as an expert digital product strategist. So this specific prompt is going to be really important to understand because it will be telling me let's say how I can get started with an actual, in this case an actual digital product. Basically here my prompt says that as an expert digital product strategist and e-commerce growth hacker, I want to launch a highly scalable digital product. This is the part that's going to be really important. For example, a Notion template, specialized AI workflows, microguides of digital assets based into the current trending tech stacks and automation demands. And you can enter, if you want, the date of today. Identify 3 high margin digital product ideas. This is currently really important to add. And for each idea, this is going to be 3 steps that I'm going to be providing. First, the exact target audience. 2, the core problem it solves. And 3, one of the most important, a step-by-step structural outline of what the digital product must contain to ensure the high customer satisfaction. So I'm going to just go for send. And once Claude gives you the winning product outline, you don't even have to write this yourself. Something else, for example, is that you can ask Claude to flesh out the actual content of the guide, generate the code for the template, or draft the exact copy for your digital asset. So let's say I'm going to start with draft me the exact copy for my digital asset. And I can copy this specific asset, pack it into a PDF or zip file, and upload this into a fulfillment platform. So this is going to be my phase number 1. My phase number 2 will be using Claude to build in a high converting, low friction landing page or Shopify product description designed specifically for cold traffic coming from the meta ads. So just wait a few seconds and see what does the actual Claude has to offer for us. As you can see, it is telling us that we need just to wait till the actual Claude makes the actual process. And as you can see here is the actual element that's going to be creating to us. In my case, for example, I asked for another prompt, which is acting as an elite direct response copywriter, write a high converting landing page, text for structure for our chosen digital products, insert the product name, use the AI framework. You can include a resistible hook driven line, 5 major bullet points, and basically that will be actually it. In my case, for example, something that I do have, for example, is the posting schedule recommended. For example, as you can see here is my AI agent launching podcast social copy, so I can have my voice, my brand voice guide, the post number 1, the post number 2, and I can sell this totally directly into Shopify or somewhere else. Now to put this into somewhere else, for example into Shopify, into Wix, into Notion even, there's another tutorial that we can be focusing on, but this is like one of the greatest tools that I can show you. This is the actual main reason that I wanted to show you what does the actual Claude is capable of. So guys, there you have it. You can have, the sky is the limit with the actual Claude. You can do a lot of stuff directly inside here for the actual element. So if you have any questions, guys, you can let me know into the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, guys, thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and well, hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you well next time.